Alexa, good morning.
Good morning to you too. Got it. I stopped guarding your home.
Hi guys, good morning. I am up so early today that it's Saturday and I don't know why. Anyway, let's go release Nala because I had to put her in the other room. She was disturbing me so much yesterday. Hi Nala. Good morning to you too. Hi. Okay. Let's go brush and take you out to pee and I'll go to the gym as usual. Okay guys, I'm ready for the gym. Let's go. Let's go. But first, I have to take this madam out here to pee. Are you ready to go pee now? Let's go. Sit down. Sit. Good girl. Yep. She doesn't know her way out. Okay. How you were pressed? So let's run to the gym because I'm not driving today. I'm here sometimes do a little bit of cardio. Let's say, but I think I want to do leg day today. So it's going to be a lot of squats, battle ropes, probably work on my tummy and my arm too, but let's just get started. Swollen and is ready to drink. Yep. Hop in the shower. I don't like to eat breakfast. I like to eat mine at 2 and right now, if you can see this, you will know it's just 11. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead to give Nala her food. Normally, I will cook for Nala. I'll show you what I cook for Nala. She loves it. She loves it. I learned this from home because my mom, she likes to cook for the dogs. But since I'm out of mixed meat and I am not cooking, this is what I will be giving Nala today. Yep, her dry food. So if you don't know this, dry foods are better than the wet food. The wet food for dogs are just like junk food. So I like to give Nala this. I give her wet food too, but just once in a while, not all the time. This is healthier if you're not cooking for your dog. You can go and eat. Your food is ready, okay? So now that I have Nala's food covered, I'm craving something. I'm craving steak, okay? So I really want to eat steak. I like food. If you don't know that, you should know that now. I like food. So I think I should go ahead and start making, I think we should do spag. Yeah, we should do spaghetti and steak. That is easy to cook. I'm just going to do a brief video showing you guys how I make it. I just want to show you guys the spag I'm using before I start making it. I'm using this cake spag. So nice. Alright, let's start cooking. As you can see, I already have my beautiful well-spiced cooked steak. It's not well done yet because it's still going to go in the grill. But that is my onion, tomatoes, habanero pepper, green pepper, garlic, ginger, and real bell pepper, and that is the blender I use. Really easy to use, helps you slice if you don't want to start chopping pepper and onion and all of that. So I am just going to spread my vegetable mix on my steak for flavors. It gives it a nice flavors, and mind you, my steak has already been spiced. I'm going to show you what I did with my stock water, but I'm going to spread this and go ahead to put it in the oven. Now, as I was saying, that is my spag cooking in my stock water. Yes, you heard me right. And that is what it looks like when it's done. All I have to do now is start making my paste for the spag. What should I even call it? Is this sauce or paste? Anyway, I'm going to turn this to low heat, and I will be using something magical. Yes, I can't believe it's not butter. It just has 40% of vegetable oil, guys, and it's perfect for, as you can see, topping and cooking. I'm just going to spray a little. I know you might think this is very little, but don't worry, we shall see. I don't really like to add stuff in my spag, but for this video I am adding prawns, and I am contemplating between using Titus or corned beef. So this is basically to tell you can do anything you want with your spag, okay? Create your own like I am about to do. So let's go with the Titus. And next, as you can see, my prawn is done. Looks beautiful. So next I'll be adding my vegetables to it. It's basically the same thing I blended, but I just chopped some because I want to be seeing it, and then I added carrots to it. So yeah, I'm going to cook it in there. I know you might think there's no oil. How is this going to cook? Don't worry, anything that has water will cook with oil, and I will show you. Just give it a little minute. You see that? You see that? You don't have to use much oil to cook. So next I'm going to go ahead and add a little Titus to this first, just for the taste. Just put a little, and at the end, when my food is ready, I'll add the remnant. But for now, I'll just add a little bit, and mix it in with this and let it cook together for the flavor. I want that fishy Titus. In fact, I'm not a cook, okay? I'm not a professional chef. Before I say one thing I'm not supposed to cook, but you know what I mean. So next I'm going to go ahead to add my spices, and that is my Maggi cube, and I'll be adding hunger too. So this is hunger. If you know hunger, you know hunger is always in a bag, but I'm too organized, okay? I don't like to see nylon. So that's how I arrange my spices. All right, let's go back to this food. So that is what it looks like now. It looks beautiful. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add my spag to this, and I will mix. Now, like I said, at the end I add the remaining Titus and just break it in so that you can see the fish you're eating. Food is ready, guys. Look at how my steak turned out. Look at that steak, so beautiful, so sumptuous, so delicious. In fact, this is the perfect food for dinner dates, whatever you want to do. Nala is even hungry. She loves it. Now that you're seeing me sitting, I am ready to watch something on Netflix. There's actually this seasonal movie I started watching. Velvet. I like it a lot. Maybe because I like fashion. Anyway, it's a Spanish movie. They don't speak English. Netflix. I have a date at 6:30, so I think I'll start making up at 4. Yeah, I'll start getting ready at 4, and you guys will be doing that with me. So it's 4 already, and while I make up, I like to listen to music. So you might see me singing or misbehaving once in a while I am doing my makeup. So it's not a makeup tutorial, it's just a really fast makeup. Enjoy.
For divorce, she steal my heart, and we no get to remorse. Me and you like a bank and a day.
You made me
True love, I feel live with me, girl. I fit to die for your matter, and I proud to say, now you be my baby. Know that my love will
Stuck with you, stuck with you, stuck with you, baby. Where we need to be. No. And I love you one time, one time, one time. Forgive me, baby. More.
Gonna start my head.
You do ruin my heart, and I love you one time, one time, one time. I love you more.
If I ever in love.
them know they happy. If you give them chance, they go spoil our job. I want your love like I crave for money. If I'm coming to you, I did there for hurry. If you live with my side, my heart to go the worry when I
So guys, this is my finished.
And I love you one time, one time, one time. Forgive me, babe.
I'm ready for my dates, okay? Let's go.
I be killing the beat, oh.
I love you, baby, more. You do ruin my heart, and I love you one time, one time, one time.
No doubt my love for you are the subject. You take my side when I no get the money. You sweet past honey, we go see mommy. Cause I want my son to call you mommy. I love you, baby, you drive me crazy. If you live my life, my heart to go the worry when you're not around. I dey miss your love, just you and I. No fight for life, living and the lola. They too like money. Now you be my baby, my original baby. No doubt my love, I draw a face from Apollo. I swear for your case, I demand that colo. You sweet past poly, I know only for your case, I demand like I finish it. Could the other girls them come, I touch their body. For you, I repent, forgive me.